Hey there, future doctors. Ever dreamed of earning a Ph.D. or DBA? It might seem impossible, especially with a busy life, but what if I told you there's a way to achieve your academic goals without ever stepping foot in a traditional classroom? Online education has revolutionized the way we learn, and now you can earn your doctorate entirely online. That's right, no more commuting, strict schedules, or sacrificing your life for education. Welcome to the future of learning. Online doctorate programs offer the same rigorous curriculum and esteemed faculty as traditional universities, but with unparalleled flexibility. You can study from anywhere in the world, at your own pace, and on your own time. Whether you're a working professional, a stay-at-home parent, or simply someone who thrives in a self-paced environment, online learning can help you reach your full potential. No more excuses. Your dream doctorate is closer than you think. We all know that pursuing a doctorate can be expensive and time-consuming. Traditional programs often require years of full-time study, putting a strain on your finances and personal life. But fear not, online doctorate programs are here to break those barriers. Online programs are significantly more affordable than their traditional counterparts. You'll save on expenses like commuting, campus fees, and even textbooks, as many programs offer digital materials. Plus, you can continue working while you study, making it easier to manage your finances. And the best part? Online programs can be completed much faster than traditional programs. By studying at your own pace and leveraging your existing knowledge, you can potentially shave years off your degree completion time. Navigating the world of online learning can be daunting, but you don't have to do it alone. Meet Dr. 8, your personal AI-powered study buddy and coach, available 24/7 to guide you through every step of your doctoral journey. Dr. 8 is designed to make your learning experience engaging, efficient, and even enjoyable. Imagine having instant access to a vast library of knowledge, personalized study plans tailored to your learning style, and a dedicated mentor to answer all your questions and offer guidance. Dr. 8 can do all of that and more. It can help you organize your coursework, track your progress, and even provide feedback on your assignments. With Dr. 8 by your side, you'll have the support you need to succeed in your online doctorate program. Owning your customized Superbot is all you need. Getting started with Dr. 8 is simple and intuitive. Think of it like having your own super-powered study bot. First, you'll enroll in the program and will design your personalized Dr. 8 account. Then, you can start feeding your custom bot with information from your coursework, such as lecture notes, articles, and even your own research. Dr. 8 uses advanced machine learning algorithms to understand and retain this information, creating a comprehensive knowledge base that you can access anytime, anywhere. You can ask Dr. 8 specific questions about your coursework, get help with complex concepts, or even have it generate practice quizzes to test your understanding. Dr. 8, your key to success. Dr. 8 isn't just a study tool. It's your lifelike partner in success, your study buddy. Dr. 8 can help you excel in your exams, help you write your dissertation with confidence, and even conduct groundbreaking research. By providing personalized support and intelligent insights, Dr. 8 empowers you to reach your full academic potential quickly. And the benefits don't stop there. Online doctorate programs often offer flexible payment options and even credit for your work and life experience, making it easier than ever to afford your dream education. With Dr. 8 as your guide, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your academic goals without sacrificing your life. So, what are you waiting for? Take the leap and start your online doctorate journey today. Your future self will thank you. For more information, contact Dynamark Superbots. Just add.com to access their website.